left. I don't have any cars. So my first stop is here. I go first to see if I have free on the diesel tank station, and then I be back here for loading. Oh, this is a very big track, very big cram. So this is the place where I should make the diesel. I go inside. I don't have any bikes. My tank is on the right, so I will put the truck right here. Okay. And I make a very fast diesel. I need the key. I turn off the light. The pump number 2. Have to put this out. I need diesel. Pump number 2. I put the, you don't have to see my pin code. Okay, kilometers doesn't matter. Okay, and now I can make very fast diesel. It was already half tank, so I think I will need about 80 liters or 100. The price is 1.75, €1.75. So for I make food. And now it's full. So as I said, the AdBlue I donated. And this is enough. So I have 81 liters, €144. I have to. Oh. Now let's close it and let's go. Drive, I have to clean a little bit my hands. I like the smell of diesel. It's very nice. So I put my safety belt. First gang. Actually it's the chart. And let's go. So I have to put in the ramp and to make the loading for Ansbach. You have to check the bikes here, the pedestrians, or another car from the opposite direction. I have all free. Staying here.